Hello everyone, I am Muskan and welcome back to my channel The Leo Roller. Today this video is going to be very special for all my friends because as you all know that my channel is based on art, so I have ordered my secret treasure from the Amazon and in front of you all I am going to unbox it. So I am very excited to open this box. So let's get started with this video. So okay, here is my treasure. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing video. Shoot, I need a scissor. Here is my scissor. So actually I forgot to open it from the scissor. Okay, so let's open. Oh my god, how to open it? Tada! So here is a treasure. So let me introduce this treasure. This is Fevicryl Acrylic Colours. Okay, so this is of 10 shades and its packaging is very beautiful. Okay, so let's see what's the inside of this color box. Okay, so I'm getting this menu plate. Okay, so you will see that many colors are there and you can mix them and you will get different shades of colors. Okay, so it's very nice and it's like shade mixing. So let's keeping it aside. Okay, so first is white color, then second pink. Okay, so it's very delicate. Okay, तो ये लाइक कांच का है, सो संभाल के अगर टूट गया ना एक बार फिर तो मम्मी पापा मारेंगे, इसलिए थोड़ा संभाल के. ओके, सॉरी. So like this was green color and this was brown color. Okay, and this is orange color and this are yellow. Okay, this is I think so it's dark or blue, light blue. Okay, this is the dark blue and this is dark green and the last I think so it's red. Yep, it's red. Okay, so you are getting this all the colors. And but where's the black color? Oh, we have to just make the black color. I don't know how to make it. So guys, I'm very sorry. This is not light blue color. This is actually black color. I just checked right now and this is the black color. 1 minute I thought that where's that important color and then I just saw where it is. So okay, now let's test this colors. But first we have to keep these colors, otherwise मेरी जो मम्मी है वो मेरे को मार देगी. सो बेहतर होगा कि आप कलर्स रख के फिर टेस्ट वेस्ट जो करना है करो. अच्छे से रखना, कुछ हो ना जाए कलर्स को भी. ये तो फर्स्ट था. इधर गया brown, pink and this. Oh my god, and this. Okay, oh, this is the matte plate. Yep. So okay, so now let's start with the coloring. So okay, here is my paper. blank paper. Okay, so I'm going to just show you that how it is. So first I'm going to take my favorite color, which is red. Tell me, how did you like this my secret treasure, which is this Fevicryl Acrylic Colours? Okay, so just comment down. Okay, and this is the final look you will get if you will paint these colors in any kind of issue or any kind of outline drawings. Okay, so the best part of this Fevicryl Colours is that you can paint this colors in fabric clothes, in any kind of fabric clothes like cotton or silk, in any fabrics. Okay, and yeah, also you can just paint it with plastics also, like plastic, many kind of plastic, like plastic cups, plastic compass box, then even this kind of like box. You can also paint this box also with this colors. Okay, so I hope you will like this unboxing video, and if you liked it, then please give me a thumbs up, like back, okay, and comment below and share this video with everyone, and subscribe to the Leo Ruler. And if you want more interesting videos like this, then please tell me in the comment section below. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and be safe.